Welcome to this channel. Today we are going to explore the Maldives, a gem of the Indian Ocean. Before we go into the video, please subscribe this channel and press bell button to get notifications of upcoming videos. Now we go into the video. The Maldives is a tropical paradise in the Indian Ocean known for its stunning beaches, crystal clear waters, and luxurious resorts. The Maldives has a rich history with influences from various cultures including Buddhist, Islamic, and European. The Maldives is an archipelago of 1,192 coral islands, forming a double chain of 26 atolls located southwest of India and Sri Lanka. The Maldives has a tropical monsoon climate with high temperatures and humidity throughout the year. The Maldives has one major international airport, Malé International Airport (MLE), which serves as the primary entry point for tourists. The Maldives has a population of approximately 430,000 people with a diverse mix of ethnicities including Divehi, South Indian, and Sri Lankan. The Maldives is a Muslim community with Islam being the official religion. Divehi is the official language, but many people also speak English, particularly in the tourism industry. The Maldives has a unique culture with influence from its history, geography, and Islamic traditions. The Maldives has a developing education system with a focus on improving access to quality education. The cost of living in Maldives is relatively high, particularly in the capital city of Malé. The Maldives has a growing economy driven by tourism and fishing with a per capita income that is one of the highest in South Asia. The Maldives is a presidential republic with a president serving as head of state and government. The government has implemented policies aimed at promoting sustainable tourism, reducing poverty, and improving infrastructure. The Maldives is divided into 26 atolls, each with